Do you need a jazzy way to organize your adult beverages? Well, keep watching and I will show you just how to do it. So, hello. This is my Summer Kitchen Vignette 2019, uh, organized and hosted by This and That with Denise Jordan. Summertime, and everyone knows that there will be lots of parties and get togethers. So, why not bring a little pizzazz to your bar area? So I came up with this vignette just to organize my adult beverages because I don't have a bar area. So I thought this would be perfect for this collab. So come on. So what we have here is all of my adult beverages and we use them. So the rules for this collab was it must have a tray, which I have right here. It must have an animal, which I have right there, my little frog. It must have some greenery, which I have right there. It must have a saying, and it must have a farmhouse feel. So I thought this tray would give it the farmhouse feel. So I'm going to bring you a little closer and let you see. My tray, this is a tray that has actually a cocktail drink, the recipe for a cocktail drink on it. And it's black on the inside. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's black in there. And I just took two of my chargers and then put a red plate because that is the color scheme of my kitchen: silver, black, red, and a little bit of white in there also. These are all of our drinks that we have. So I put this in there, some straws with my black and white picture that I got from Target, the Target Dollar Spot. Of course, these greenery little pieces come from Dollar Tree. This is actually Christmas ornaments, but I love them so much that I use them for decorative purposes. And of course, this is a shaker, and this is just a little word that I got from Walmart in the clearance section. This is a Goodwill find, and this is the greenery that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. So guys, this is my Summer Kitchen Vignette 2019. What do you think? I think it is just awesome. Here is another one, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. But since I done that vignette, I just had to go and do another one. Now this one is not in the kitchen, but it's in the living room, which is right next to the kitchen. And I just took a tray. It has that cork in the inside of it, if you can see that right there. It's like I don't know what it says in the inside, but it's like the corkscrew material. So I put the greenery in here, and if you've seen my Walmart haul, I picked these two of these up at Walmart for $5 a piece. They were originally $20, but they were on clearance. And this is these two are another Goodwill find, and I just put some flowers in here and just some Dollar Tree roses in here. I just throw them inside, and another little sign from Walmart that says Faith. I put that in there and made this one. So what do you think? I like this one also. Alright guys, you head on over to the other participants' channels and watch their videos, give them a thumbs up also. And thank you to all of the people who watched my video, everyone who gave me a thumbs up, all of my old subscribers, thank you for hanging there with me. All of my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. And until I see you guys in another video, peace.